Dear student, welcome to our computer science class. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter 2, more about Scratch. More about Scratch. In this topic, sound blocks. Now we will go to discuss about the topic sound blocks. Now, sound blocks. These blocks are used to add and play sound in your Scratch project. Normally, we go to add your sound in your Scratch application program. நம்ம ஒரு Scratch application programக்குள்ளார நார்மலாக ஒரு சவுண்ட்ஸை ஆட் பண்ணணும். That means recording of voice, already loaded the or saved music or sound in your Scratch application by using this sounds blocks category. Okay, so the blocks are used to add and play sounds in your Scratch project. Then the sound blocks are color coded, bright purple color. There are used different colors and different categories of blocks available in Scratch program. In this one of the special blocks category, that means sound blocks categories are contain bright purple colors coding. Okay, now then the following three way to add sound to a Scratch project. So if you want to add a sound in your Scratch application program by using three possible way of option. In this first one, choose sound from library. In this first one option, you can go to select the sound in library. Then next one, record new sound. If you want to record your updated time recorded voice to upload your sound on Scratch application program by using the record a new sound option, and then upload sound a file. If you already stored in your computer in different types of sound or music, by directly you can go to search and browse the music and upload your blocks category. This is the third one option. Then now we are going to discuss about some of sounds blocks. Some of sound blocks. There are many possible options are available in sound blocks category. In first one, play sound. If you go to play a music, that means sounds in your Scratch application program by using this blocks category. That is means play sounds. The specified sound is played. If you go to play a specific sound in your Scratch application program, that is called play sounds blocks category. So this is the commands for play sound. That means, for example, if you play the sound, for example, meow, play sound meow. This is the in first one command in play sounds blocks category. If you want to add in other sounds, by example, if you store in your computer location or directories and directly record the voice, is also play by using this play sounds blocks category. Okay, then next one, play sound until. If you continuously play the sound in the end of the program. For example, if you starting of the program to play the sound to continuously play in end of the Scratch application by using this play sound until blocks category. The sounds is played until the end of the executions of the script. So after, if you execute the program, so end of the sessions will be done. The time to run or play the music or sounds by using the sound blocks category is play sound until command. So this is the command for play sound meow until sound. So this sound meow is to play on starting time to end of the time of the executions of the script. Okay, then next one. The next one, stop all sounds. If you want to pause the all set of sounds in the background sound or current current running sprite sound, if you want to all sounds to disable by using this stop all sounds blocks category. Okay, now all sounds on the script stop playing. That means the specified sounds, it's not only a specified sound, the entire selected sounds music are fully stopped at the end of the session, starting to end of the session by using this stop all sounds blocks category. This is the command for stop all sound command, that is stop all sounds. Okay, then next one, play drums. If you want to play the drums sounds, if you want to play the drum sounds by using this play drums blocks category. A drum sounds is played for a specified number of beats. That means, but a specified number of time duration or specified number of seconds. If you go to play the drum sounds by specified number of beats by using this play drums blocks category. This is the command for play drums 48. That means this is the types of drums. 48 means the 48 types. Okay, then for 0.2 beats, so this is the bits of sound time duration. So the volume of the sounds and then times to be mentioned is the bits of sound. If you want to play drums by selecting types of drums and select the particular time beats. Okay, now the play drums command, play drums, for example 48 is the types of drums for 0.2 beats for specific time duration to play. Okay, this is the play drums commands blocks category. Then next one, rest for beats. If you go to take rest on the in between of time durations of playing a sound by using rest for beats for particular time duration. That means particular time beats to play the music after to take the rest of the process of music by using this rest for beats blocks category. The audio is paused for specified number of beats. We already discussed that in specific time duration the particular sounds go to and play the music. So do not continue the play the music by using pause the music or sounds in your Scratch application program by using this rest for beats. This is the command for rest for 0.2 beats. This command has 0.2 beats minutes. They have paused the particular sounds or audio. Okay, now then next one, play notes. If you play the music keyboard musical keyboard by selecting these notes. That is the play notes command. This is one of the sound blocks category. A note from an instrument is played for a specific number of beats. If you want to play the keyboard notes in the specific number of beats by using this play notes commands blocks category. So this is the command for play notes. By mention this play notes 60. This is the counts of notes types. This is the 16 is the note types for 0.5 bits. That means of time durations and the volumes of the sounds in specified instrument of play. That means notes to play the instrument of specified number of bits. Okay, by using this play note command blocks category. Then next one, set instrument. If you go to set, in different kinds of instruments are available. You can selectively set one set of instrument by playing a music, by adding a sounds in your scratch application. By using these types of blocks category, it's called the set instrument. The types of instrument the sprite use is set. For example, the cats are using playing a drums. The time we specified sprite to set the instrument, especially in other types of, that means exactly drums sounds will be played. So if you used to do drums means to play the drum sound, violin, piano. So there are many instruments that are available. If you go to set the exact instrument and use the sprite, the specific instrument to use the sprite by using this set instrument blocks category. This is the command for set instrument to 1. The 1 means the types of instrument. The 1 means the types of instrument. If you go to set, the number of instrument will be changed. Okay, then next one, change volume. If you want to increasing or decreasing the instrument volume by using this change volume blocks category in these sounds blocks. Okay, the volume of the instrument get changed. If you set means, that means 0 is mentioned that mute stage, and then 100 is mentioned that loud stage. So if you want to increase the sound from 0 to 100 by specified value. Okay, if you go to increase or decrease the sound volume by using the change volume blocks category. This is the command for change volume by 10 minus 10. So to set the value, so exact fixed value to reduce by 10 value. So for example, we already set the value is 90. After that, you can go to change volume by minus 10. The value of volume is now currently play the instrument is 80 of the value. Okay, so if you the set or change the volume by using the set of instrument, get change the volume by set or change volume by some specified value. This is the command for change volume blocks category. Then next one, or end of the blocks category, set volume. If you set or if you change the different volume in your specified instrument, so after that you can set permanently the instrument volume to be set the number of volume, that means 0 to 100, by using the set volume blocks category. That is, the volume of the instrument is set 0 is silent and 100 is the loudest. Okay, if you set 0 means, that means mute stages, that means silent stage. If you want to set, or if you set 100 of the volume, this is the loudest volume of your instrument. Okay, so this is the command for set volume to 100%, 80%. If you want to change the percentage of the value in number, is up to 0 up to 100. Okay, so today we discussed about this topic, more about Scratch. In this special types of topic is the sound blocks category. Then next we will go to discuss one more topic in next one session. Thank you.